What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. If you're new and this is the first time you stopping by the channel, I definitely do appreciate you. I'm the Mustang Hunter. As you see, I try to find as many Mustang variations as possible, but since I'm a huge car guy, you'll see all kinds of variations on this channel. And if you like Hot Wheels or peg hunting videos in general, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that little subscribe button down at the bottom and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So guys, as you see right here, I have a gigantic box from a mail-in. This is from Jose Hernandez. Me and him have been going back and forth on Instagram, going over each other's collections, what he has, what I have, what we're both looking for, and all that stuff. I know he sent me a few pictures of cars. I was not expecting a big box like this. I was expecting, you know, the standard size, the whatever, the one that's like maybe this big, full of like 4 or 5 cars. I don't know exactly what is in here, but whatever it is, Jose, I definitely do appreciate you. Of course, like we had mentioned together, let me know what you need. Of course, I will send it. Everyone that's done trades with me or I've sent out casts know that I keep my word. So just let me know what it is. But we're going to see what is in this gigantic box and what kind of die casts are in here. All right, guys, it's cut open. Let's see what is inside. Oh my God, I could already see some, oh my God, I could see some awesome casts. He really crammed it in there. Looks like some cards got damaged, which is, it hurts my feelings, but I will fix that. But let's go ahead and take out what's in the middle. Jesus, he sent me so much. All right, this is insane, guys. Check this out. Oh my God. All right, let's go over the ones that are wrapped first. This one got damaged a little bit. Oh, that's so bad. But check out this Ultra Hot. Look at that. God, that is nice. That is a nice teal metallic. Look at those wheels on there. Is another 65 opening hood convertible. Look at that detail right there. This is so clean, man, but I'm so sad that the box got damaged. Oh, that's so bad, but hopefully I can salvage it. Maybe I'll soak it in nail polish remover, kind of iron it out a little bit, maybe straighten it the best I can, but that is okay. Uh-oh, what do we got here? Other card got jacked up. It's all right. It's all right. It's all good. But look at this. You got the dark green poly Mustang Boss 351. Check this bad boy out. Now, you guys know I did get the yellow variation, which is right here. That is featured on that cover. But look at this green. This is a really nice dark metallic green with a tan interior. Check that out. Man, that is sick. What else do we got? Oh my God. I did not think he was going to send me this, but check this out. You got the Mustang Mach 1 in that really nice Spectra Flame hot pink right there. That is a beauty. Look at that. Series 2. What release is this actually? 2005. Look at that. Look at those wheels on there. The Goodyear Eagles. You do have the tampos right there on the side. Of course, the legendary Mach 1 badging on the lower fender. The classic shaker hood. Check this out. God, that is so nice. And I'm glad it's actually in a hard shell protector. Because if it came out like that, I'd be a little bit heartbroken. But this is so clean. Man, we haven't even gotten to the core of the box and check out what he sent me. Wow. All right, let's start pulling these out. You got the white 84 Audi Quattro, which I do definitely need. I think I only have... So the only one I have right there is in green, and then of course the red one that's very, very popular with the white PR5s. But this white one is super clean. This is actually a release of 2019. Surprised I've never seen this one on the pegs. That is also an awesome cast. Check this out. The Skyline 2000 GTR. Ooh, that paint color is nice. That is a really nice metallic teal and gold setup right there. You do have the gold MC5s all the way around. It says Skyline right there on the rear fender, as well as the Hot Wheels logo. That is such a nice color. And this is out of the Hot Wheels City. Super clean. Next one is the Lotus Esprit S1. This is actually from the James Bond 007. New for 2015. Man, look at that. I think these are the ones that are in the newer exotic packs for the Bugatti. There actually is the yellow one here, but I think this one's actually in the Bugatti pack. But this is really cool. You know, I had a black one at Fry's and I ended up leaving it on the shelf at one time and I regretted it. And what do we got here? He sent me two of the Skyline 2000 GTRs. Check that out. That is awesome. So you got two of those. Then he sent the really cool Mazda Ripu in red. Oh my God, this thing is nice. I thought that one was super clean for the Urban Outlaw, but no way, guys. Check out this red enamel. That is wicked looking, especially with the black steelies and the bronze ring around them. Got the Yokohama tampos with the stripe running down the side. And you have rotary powered Mazda with the taillight tampos as well, and the latches for the tailgate. Check that out. Does the other one have that? I don't think I've ever paid attention. No, this one has absolutely no tampo work. So this one's actually detailed very well. And this is out of the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. Man, that is clean. And that is my new favorite mini truck right there. Let's see. He also sent the Volkswagen Golf MK2 in a really nice, almost a mustard yellow with the black and orange tampos right there on the side. Again, my favorite wheels, the black steelies with the bronze ring. Smoked glass as well as a black interior, and that will go great with my other ones that I have stashed over here, which are here. You got the purple and the teal and this one, which I just picked up maybe a few weeks ago, so this is going to fit in perfectly with those. Next one is another Nissan Skyline. This is the HT 2000 GT X in black. Check this bad boy out as well. Man, that is sick. You do have the bronze MC5s all the way around as well, and the red and silver door stripes and the Hot Wheels logo. You do have some taillight tampos. Check that out. That is really nice. Of course, you don't have the front ones, but of course, the card actually has blacked out lenses, so that plays out very well. You do have the gray front splitter, and it actually has a really good detailed chassis. But that is super clean. Clear glass, gray interior. Looks like only one driver seat, which is passenger side, or right-hand drive, I mean. Skylines are racking up, guys. Next one is the blue Pagani Huayra. That is so clean. This is one of Mattel's other legendary colors, in my opinion, is this dark metallic blue. Check this out. You do have the tampos front and rear, as well as a nice silver stripe going down the middle. Got Pagani in huge letters, and the exhaust is actually detailed a little bit. But you do have the chrome J5s, and that just looks so clean. So I'm glad to have another variation of this one. Let's see what else he got. Yes, this is the one I've been wanting for so long. And it is the Porsche 917 LH in the nice white and orange Golf Tampo. Look at this. This is what you talk about as being heritage and retro looking. I definitely do love anything in the Golf series. Either it's white or baby blue Golf. This is just so clean. And this is actually from 2018, so that's pretty cool. I wish I would have known that ahead of time. But now I can add it with the psychedelic number 3 as well as the red 917 LH. So this one's going to go up top. I still need the blue one, so I gotta find those somewhere, maybe a thrift store or a flea market, somewhere along those lines. Next one, this box got completely destroyed. Oh, that's so heartbreaking. This is the Datsun 240Z with the really nice tampos, the race-inspired tampos right there. Number 24, you do have the gray MC5s, large in the rear, small up in the front, as well as some nice tampos on the hood. You do have the clear glass black interior, as well as no tampos front or rear, but still a super clean cast. I'm just so sad that it got destroyed. But I'm going to try to fix these. This one and these two definitely need some love. I'm going to really try to salvage those because you guys know I love collecting the cards. Look at that. He sent me the other 82 Nissan Skyline R30. Check out this one as well. Super, super clean with the RS Turbo right there on the side. You do have the black MC5s with a bronze ring around it. Nice tampos on the rear, Hot Wheels on the license plate. And I've always loved this square body generation of Skyline. Check that out. Look at my Skylines now. I got 4 of them. Moving on is the 71 Datsun 510 for the Momo edition in red. That is always a clean choice to have. Now, when it comes to the wagons, I know everyone was super, super hyped when the Momo wagons came out. I do love them, of course. I do have the 3 variations. The red one was always my favorite. I do like the yellow one, but still the red one. And now I got the coupe version of it to go with it. So that's awesome that I can actually have those two together. It'd be cool if they had a black and a yellow one, which they probably do. Just let me know down below if they do or not. Moving on, man, there's just so many cars in here. You got the 17 Ford GT in a nice silver metallic with the black racing stripes down the center. Really good tampos in the front and nothing on the rear, of course. But look at that. You do have the black PR5s. And this is just super clean. It looks like one of the factory fresh versions. Normally when it's a new cast or a factory fresh, it just looks very simple and how the production car looks. So I'm glad to actually have another Ford GT of this lineup in there because I only have the red one for the 17 and this silver is going to complement it as well. Let me know which one's your favorite. That red is still cherry. Nothing's going to compete with red, but this thing is super clean. Next is another Pagani Huayra in a really nice metallic red right here. Check that out. You got the chrome 10-spoke wheels, really nice detail on the rear. You have the Huayra tampos right there, the rear diffuser. I do love the Roadster version of this. It is so clean. Slight tampo work on the headlights. Of course, you have the black stripe running down the center, but this one is really clean as well. I'm just so sad that these boxes got annihilated, but it is what it is. I'm not going to complain one bit because he hooked me up major with this one. Next one is the black Datsun 240Z. Check that out. If you thought that white one was clean, the black one is even better. Same tampo work, same decals, but you got the blue interior, and I do love the blue and gold sitting on black. That is just so clean. And this card's actually in really good shape. So that's going to go along with that one. Next one is the... Oh my God, this thing is clean. Someone was just asking if I had this one too. And I said, no, I don't. It is the 2016 Ford GT Race in blue. Check that out. That one's an amazing cast right there. You have the number 16 and of course the blue oval running on the hood as well as the door for the Ford Performance. And of course the really nice aggressive rear diffuser and the separate plastic wing which is attached to, I believe, the interior. You guys know I'm always going to showcase what I have and what I'm getting in new, but look at that. Which one of these is your favorite? The new for 2021 release or the blue or red? Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. Oh, that's a tough one because they're all really nice in their own unique way. The red one, of course, is my favorite color, so I'm kind of biased on that. But I love the tampos on the Borla, but I love the blue. I love that Ford Performance blue, and it just looks so nice. So, man, all these great cars, guys. Check this out. Oh, the next one is, oh my God, another legendary Ford GT LM. Look at that green. That is a really nice coolant green. You have the separate casting of the wing. Of course, you have the really nice number 1 deco running down the side, as well as the stripes that go with the GT40. It does actually have some headlight tampos, which look really good. And of course, you got the chrome split PR5s. No rear tampos, I believe I do have the GT40, but it is the GTX1. So this is the first Ford GT LM I do have. The other one is just the normal Ford GT with the number 7, which looks very similar to this one. The exact same cast. That one's just the GT. This one's just the GT LM. And it looks like, no, the wings are the same too. Let me know which one your favorite is, because, man, that green is really nice. God, this guy hooked me up. I feel guilty opening this box. Last but not least, you have the 71 Hemi Cuda in this legendary Mopar green. Check out this bad boy. You got the factory Hemi Cuda stripes down on the side, the classic shaker hood. Looks like the rear glass has the louvers kind of embedded into it. It's not painted, but look at that. The classic chrome 5-spoke wheels is all you need on this beauty, and that is nice. The other Cuda I have is the newer one from the Maximum Venom, but that looks like crap compared to this. You cannot go wrong with Mopar green. Look at that. Oh my God. I really hope this is all that is in that box. Please let it be the only thing in that box. All right, guys, it is. Thank God, because holy crap. Look at this haul, guys. Check it out. You got the super clean Auto World Boss 351, the ultra hot in teal, which was a beautiful color. And then this Mach 1 is just, man, I'm speechless with that one. That is so beautiful. Then you got the legendary Datsun 240Zs. You got the Lotus Esprit, the Pagani Huayra, the Ford GT. You got the Cuda, all the Skyline variations right here. You got the other Ford GT Race, the 71 Datsun 510, Volkswagen Golf, the Mazda Ripu, which is so sick. The other Pagani Huayra, the Porsche 917, which is my favorite car out of that lineup of Porsches. And then finishing with the 17 Ford GT. Oh my God, Jose. Jeez, you definitely hooked it up. When you said you were sending me some cars, I thought you meant like 5 at the most, maybe 6, you know, being generous. But this, by far, is insane. Guys, let me know what you think down in the comments below of this mail-in. This is just insane. I'm speechless. I don't even know where to begin, but all I know is I'm going to try to salvage these cards. This one, the Auto World, and then, of course, this one for sure, because this one got it the worst. The box was a little damaged. As you see right here, it was kind of smashed in a little bit, but that is okay. I'm not going to blame it on anyone. It is what it is, guys. When you ship stuff out, stuff's going to happen. So no hard feelings. I mean, you did not have to send me this many cars. And the fact that you sent me this many amazing cars, priceless. The Mustang Hunter, don't even know what to say, but thank you so much. Like I said, keep in contact. Let me know what you need. I definitely owe you for this one. This is just insane. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so you can stay tuned for future videos. I have nothing else. I'm speechless. Man, that's all I got. Until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.